Today we will take you around Mahabalipuram. We arrived here in the morning. It's quite
It's
early.
9 o'clock. It's exactly in the middle of Pondicherry and on the way to Chennai.
Yes.
So it's also located on the sea coast.
Yes. So this is the time when you like this video, and let's move on to discover the city. Dosta, look what we found.
He's carving like really.
Properly, all these figures here are carved by him.
That's a lot of work.
This is amazing.
How much days you take for one to make with hand? 2 months for one.
Wow.
It's a lot of work.
2 months for one.
2 months for only for this one. So you can imagine how much patience you need to make it with hands and with details. That's amazing. Hats off for these guys, really.
So we have tickets.
Yeah, we didn't
For
know.
all monuments in Mahabalipuram, you can buy one ticket and go everywhere. The ticket is 40 rupees for Indian citizen and 600 rupees for non-Indian citizen.
Yes, yeah. It's a really costly headache.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, really.
We found here is a board with 32 sites of cultural world heritage, UNESCO things. Where we've been, honey?
Agra Fort we were. So
Yes.
Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus we were. I
Okay.
don't know why it's in heritage.
Churches and convents of God. We can count.
Yeah,
We've been to
we
one
can count.
church.
Fatehpur Sikri we were, 11th number. Hampi we
Yes.
didn't go. Mahabalipuram is 14. Hill forts of Rajasthan. Historic city of Ahmedabad we were. Jaipur city we gonna go. Bodh Gaya no. Ran Ki Vav we were. Just our starting.
Oh yes, we've been to Rani Ki
Then
Vav.
Taj
Red
Mahal.
Fort complex, of
Yeah.
course. We've been to
And Jantar Mantar we are going.
Taj. Yes.
So maybe halfway we are.
Okay, that's very nice. Sounds promising. We entered the premises of the first monument in Mahabalipuram we will be looking at, and this is the Shore Temple. It is located so much near to the Bay of Bengal.
It's amazing. You can see the
Water from here.
waves exactly, and really crazy ones, and nice and clean property, I would say. Like,
Yeah,
they
really
keep
well
really
maintained.
yeah.
That's true.
So all in all, Mahabalipuram for now is going well.
We found out on the way that Mahabalipuram is also called Mammalapuram, something like this. So that's very interesting. We didn't know about it. And on the way we started seeing some signs saying Mammalapuram this way. And then I found out online that it's the same thing.
Amazing
Shore
historical.
Temple is beautiful. Overall in Mahabalipuram here are so many ancient monuments with beautiful old style architecture that you can observe. Also we'll be visiting some places where we will see proper stone carvings. One is a stone carved temple and the other are stone carved monoliths. We'll be moving on there soon.
And you can see this is in UNESCO heritage as well, and it's not colored or nothing, so it's really pure kind of. They keep it as it is. And I think
So
still they're
nice.
looking
I
for
see
things.
so many different figures of like cows here, but also the temple itself has
Yeah, because-
many different
because-
parts.
Now I can see when, as you said, these cows, I don't know how they put it like this. It's amazing.
So Dosta, now we are on the other side of the stone structures that's called Krishna's butter ball. The locals started calling it Krishna's butter ball.
Yeah, because in past we had some story about it. That's why I think they compare this, but the Krishna keep the one stone which was like all like a mountain to make safe villagers from rain.
Yes, so most likely it was a comparison to that situation.
Yeah, I
but
think so.
this stone doesn't really have nothing to do with Lord
No.
Krishna. And this structure weighs about 250 tons, so you can imagine.
Yeah.
It's really huge, as you can see behind us. Like right now we're sitting on the ground, but still. And in 20th century they were thinking about removing this stone, but I think it didn't work out because it's still here.
So
It is
I don't
properly
think so. They're gonna
balanced
try
by
even
nature,
again.
and nothing supports this structure other than
slopey.
just the balance.
Any slopey area,
Yeah,
like
it's quite a nice hill.
good to have shadow at least.
Little rest, then we go further.
So we are at Mahisasura Mandini cave. After 50-20 minutes on that much hot conditions walking, we are finally there. Distance is much little like in hot conditions, but we enjoyed it. It's nice.
Yes. So this cave is from about 7th century, and it's an example of a rock cut architecture. Something completely new to us. So as I said already when we were in the shore temple, that Mahabalipuram have really amazing architecture. Something very admirable.
And unique than another which we have seen.
I see elephant carvings and other small carvings, so beautiful.
But little are gone, looks like.
Yeah,
Little destroyed.
time did its job.
Because you see, you can see there kind of shadows, you see? Like
I
little
do.
left. Yeah.
I do. Even if you look at the statues here on the bottom, here these two, I think this one is the best preserved. And I think they all looked like that. Apparently the stone carving techniques are preserved in Mahabalipuram till now, because we have just seen a guy outside who was carving statues in the stone. So Basta, we will be changing location again now, but this place has many other things. And here is also a lighthouse. We are not going there
We
because
went there
it's
already.
really long road.
We went there already. And then somehow it appears that for tickets you must go back.
Yeah. So we are not going again because it's really long road
Exhausting.
uphill in the sun in our biker outfits. Thank you very much. I will be happy without seeing the lighthouse.
But-
so remember,
Yes.
when you are taking this archaeological path of monuments in Mahabalipuram, this ticket doesn't include the lighthouse, and the lighthouse tickets can be purchased on the way to lighthouse, not by the lighthouse.
So remember, and for this all monuments in Mahabalipuram, I would suggest you should to come for one day, picnic nicely. Because they are really nice, but just you need time to relax and go again, charge yourself, go again.
And you have everything here, like soda, fresh fruits. Outside they were selling ice cream. I have seen people walking in with ice cream as well. So like easy day, nice, pleasurable. But
Not in biker outfit, so
no. We will be moving further because we still have some places to see before we leave Mahabalipuram. Well,
so let's go to the next place.
so we are getting soda break.
Refreshment.
even though we didn't yet have breakfast, but
We
it's
can't
so
hold
hot.
it. We can't hold it. It's too much hot. We need to have it something. Oh,
How is it?
that's what I needed.
We are at the last place where we can use those 2 tickets, and those are the 5 rathas here in Mahabalipuram. Hello. So Dosto, right now we arrived at Panch Rath, which are 5 different rathas
Yes.
located here in this one place. This is the last place, as I mentioned, where you can use your ticket of this archaeological path of Mahabalipuram.
And the 5 raths are Dharmarajas, Arjunas, Bhimas, Nakul, Sachdeva, and Draupadi's.
Yes. So we will be admiring all 5
Yes.
of them.
And
It is really
specifically-
located close to the previous site.
Yes. And it's like 2 are bigger and 3 are smaller with 1 lion. I would say it was lion or tiger? Lion. Lion statue and with 1 elephant statue.
Yes.
But it's really nice looks.
Really nice, as I mentioned, located close to the
Yes.
previous place, so you can
And-
easily find the road and get
And
here.
also again they have maintained garden nicely, atmosphere. It's clean and no nuisance kind of.
And overall, what I really like here in Mahabalipuram, we planned so many sites to see, and fortunately everything is nearby. So you can easily, I think, finish Mahabalipuram in 1 day with no issue, even with more sites than what we chose.
Even with enjoying with family picnics, whatever you want, but you can do it that easily.
And it's such a beautiful place.
It should to. People should to go see this.
Here are many more attractions to see, but we've decided to focus on the architectural part. Definite highlight that we skipped is the Seashell Museum, where a friend of ex-president APJ Abdul Kalam collected over 340 kinds of seashells from all over the world in over 30 years. So that's something that if you are here, you can plan for.
It's little outside than this all architecture area, so we are skipping that. But you should surely and please take a time and come to Mahabalipuram.
We hope you enjoyed this vlog, and we hope to see you
In the next vlog.
Bye!